top choosing between immersive Atmos and a system that's clean, simple, and fits your budget. After testing every major 2026 soundbar, I finally found the one that ends compromise for good. This is it! Like the video and subscribe for honest soundbar reviews that help you buy smarter. Comment what matters most to you, bass, Atmos, or value, and check the description for best prices and product links, the contenders, and their compromises. To find a champion, you have to look at the challengers. After testing every major soundbar in 2026, I found they all have a but. First, the Samsung HW-Q990H. In my testing, it's a beast. A true theatrical bubble of sound. It's an 11.1 4-channel system. But here's the problem. It's not a soundbar, it's a system. You get the bar, a huge subwoofer, and 2 rear speakers that need their own power. That's clutter. That's complexity. And at around $2,000, it's total overkill for a normal living room. It's not a real all-in-one solution. Then there's Sony's Bravia Theater Bar 9. On paper, it's a serious contender. It's sleek, packed with Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping, and it's expandable. But here's the secret compromise. The Bar 9 fakes its height effects. It uses virtualizers instead of dedicated upward-firing drivers. In my side-by-side tests, that virtual effect feels vague and weak. You're paying $1,400 for a clever imitation, not true Dolby Atmos. This is the story across the board. Budget bars from TCL or Vizio lack cinematic power. High-end bars from Sennheiser or Devialet cost as much as a used motorcycle. Every single one forces you to choose. This is where the Sonos Arc Ultra changes the game. It delivers the immersion of the Samsung system, but in a single bar. It gives you the true, physical Atmos channels that Sony virtualizes. And it does it at a price that makes the competition look ridiculous. The champion, a deep dive into the Sonos Arc Ultra. So, what makes the Arc Ultra the undisputed GOAT? It delivers perfectly on 5 key promises. First, real, uncompromised Dolby Atmos. The #1 reason you buy a soundbar in 2026. The Arc Ultra is a true 9.1 4-channel bar. This isn't just jargon. The 9 means it has drivers angled perfectly to bounce sound off your walls, surrounding you. When a car flies across the screen, you feel it zip past you, not just in front of you, all from one unit. The 1 is the bass. Inside are 6 powerful mid-woofers that go down to 35 hertzes. That's subwoofer territory. You feel that deep thrum in your chest without a separate box on the floor. But this is the most important number. The 4 physical upward-firing drivers. This is not a virtual trick, it's physics. When it rains in a movie, the sound comes from above you. When a jet flies overhead, you'll actually look up. But hardware is only half the story. The secret weapon is Soundfield Arc AI. During a 30-second setup, it creates a 3D acoustic map of your room. It measures your walls, your ceiling height, even your couch position. Then, it aims the sound with laser precision. Vaulted ceiling? Off-center couch? It adjusts in real time. This means you get a perfect Atmos experience in your specific room, not a perfect lab. Second, flawless dialogue clarity. You know the problem. The explosions are loud, but the voices are a muddy mess. The Arc Ultra has a dedicated center channel just for voices. But this is where it gets interesting. Its AI-driven speech enhancement mode isolates and lifts dialogue out of the mix. I tested it with famously hard-to-hear movies. Whispers are clear. Accents are understandable. Even in a chaotic action scene, every word is pristine. Third, the price. You're probably thinking this costs a fortune. This is where the Arc Ultra delivers its biggest shock. It's $999. Let's be clear. The Samsung system is almost $2,000. The Sony, with its virtual Atmos, is $1,400. The Arc Ultra delivers a more elegant, more advanced solution for way less. For under $1,000, you are getting a system that would have cost double just a year ago. Fourth, the "it just works" factor. This isn't just for movies. Setup is 2 cables and the Sonos app. The AI calibration takes less than 5 minutes. No complicated menus. It just works. And it's a phenomenal music speaker using AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, or the new Bluetooth Multi-Connect. That wide soundstage gives music incredible space. It's also a full smart speaker with Alexa and Google Assistant built in. It's your movie machine, music system, and smart hub in one. Finally, it's future-proof. While it's the best all-in-one now, it's also an investment. Move to a bigger house? Wirelessly add a pair of Era 300 speakers for true surround sound. Want even more bass? Add a Sonos sub. And Sonos constantly pushes free software updates. A 2026 update is already announced, adding Bluetooth LE audio and advanced AI upmixing. This bar won't be outdated in 2 years. It's built for the next decade. For years, buying a soundbar meant choosing. Great Atmos or a clean setup. Powerful bass or clear dialogue. Premium features or a good price. The Sonos Arc Ultra is the first soundbar that lets you have it all. You get the 9.1/4 channel immersion of a full system and the simplicity of a single bar. You get thunderous bass and crystal clear dialogue. You get a world-class music streamer and a future-proof platform. All for a price that exposes how overpriced the competition really is. It is the smartest, most complete, and best-sounding all-in-one I have ever tested. The new benchmark, the undisputed GOAT. If you're ready to stop compromising, I've put a link in the description where you can check the latest price. Clicking that link is the best way to support the channel so I can keep testing this gear for you. The final conclusion. Now I want to hear from you. Is the all-in-one dream finally real? Are you considering the Arc Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for reading. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next honest tech review. Until next time.